What if I told you that the region that started the modern wine revolution isn't in France? And it isn't red wine. Surprisingly, the first demarcated wine region in the world that started the entire model for wine appellations is in Central Europe. Do you know what this wine is? This is Wine Folly, where we learn by tasting. Wine, it tells us a story. We just need to learn how to read what's in the glass. And the first thing to do is to take a look at the color. And this looks to be a deeper gold color. This color is usually associated with oxygen during the winemaking process. Perhaps it was fermented or aged in wood. Let's see what the aromas tell us. Whoa, powerful aromas. Orange peel, tangerine, pepperoncini, savory Szechuan peppercorn, beeswax, and petrol, and some crushed rocks. The beeswax and petrol notes tell me this wine might have some bottle age. Those tangerine and pepperoncini are tells of just a narrow list of grape varieties. Pow! It's got razor sharp acidity. And there's this savory note. I also sense a little bit of phenolic bitterness. This wine probably had some skin contact and had thick-skinned grapes. What do we think this is? Is it Riesling, Pinot Gris, Furmint, or Assyrtiko? Let's call upon resident master of wine, Christine Marsilio, for the answer.
So, we've got a dry white wine with serene levels of acidity, and it's textured as well. That could be Riesling, Assyrtiko, or Furmint, as all of these grapes have lots of acid and thick skins. There's something key here though, that orange peel mandarin aroma, which we can also find in the sweet style of wines made from this grape variety, is inherent to this particular grape. Furmint is a native to Hungary in Central Europe and comes in both dry and lusciously sweet styles. It grows mostly in northeastern Hungary in a region called Tokaji. Tokaji has volcanic soils that many say help give the wines a mineral edge. The region was the first officially demarcated wine appellation that we know of, and this happened in 1737. Tokaji is perfect for Furmint because of its long, dry autumns, which ensures Furmint, a late ripening grape variety, can hang out on the vine for as long as it needs to properly ripen. In fact, when left long enough on the vine, we actually can get sweet wines. These are called Tokaji Azu, and were once the most coveted wines in the world. Grapes are left on the vine until October or even later and become very sweet through a natural phenomenon called noble rot. This shrivels the berries, concentrating the sugar and acid within them. The wine we have today, though, uses regular Furmint grapes that were picked in September. It also spent some time in large old Hungarian oak casks. So let's get the big reveal on what this wine is. Back to you, Madeline.
We've got a bottle of the 2020 vintage Királyudvar Tokaji Furmint Sec, where sec means dry. This producer was once considered to be on the same playing field as French Grand Cru Classé, served in the Habsburg court. However, 2 world wars and Soviet rule pushed Tokaji pretty much into obscurity. This wine has the acid and structure to age longer, and it'll become more nutty and petrol. But I'd like to pop it now alongside some spicy Thai curry or Indian jalfrezi. That would be delicious. If you like this segment, definitely let me or Christine know and leave us a comment. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club, and we have more tasting videos like this coming up, so definitely subscribe if you want to learn more about wine. Until next time, happy tasting. Peace out.